So good.
Hi Phil.
Hi Phil.
How you doing?
You alright?
Yeah, good man. What do you think?
Look at her. Man. I can't wait to see her on the floor.
Well that is. I mean, because obviously, you know, small.
No, really.
No, but small wheels, isn't it? So they don't sort of fully fill the arches. I can't get any more because the wheel side.
Lift it up then. If that's down, if that's all the way down, lift it up a bit.
You can't really cut anything. I mean, we're sort of fully cut.
What do you mean?
Can't really cut.
That was a skit, that was not real. Phil, we love you.
Sorry, Uncle Phil.
It's all good.
Patrick made me do that. That was all part of the plan. Of course it was going to go on the floor. Of course Uncle Phil's done a fantastic job. He's already cut the other sides off. That was just a little make fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was completely fake.
Look at it.
But Sil's on the floor. Sil's on the floor. That'll do.
Can you see daylight?
No.
I don't think so.
No, you can't. You can't.
No, it's sitting on the cross member now. Well, it's sitting on the bits that Tom hasn't fully cut off, actually.
Oh, is that what?
Well done.
One job. I literally have one job.
One job. Philip!
He doesn't want to be in it.
What happens now? It's done.
Wow.
Suspension
A
was done.
huge part is done to incredibly low standards.
See what you did there? See what you did there?
Yeah, good. Well, Uncle Phil's task complete and beyond.
Finally.
You know, Uncle Phil keeps saying finally, but COVID has thrown us all a massive curveball, and it's took longer than we all thought it would take. That's not you.
No, it's just what it is.
Yeah.
It's 2020, it sucks, it's took too long, but the fact of the matter is now, it's done, it sits brilliantly, so happy with how it sits, and now it's off to make the engine go.
Subframe is on the floor.
It literally is on the floor.
Subframe's on the floor.
It actually lays frame, there's no argument there, frame is laid.
Road Race Logistics, we're off to DeutchTech, we're going to go see Luke and the boys. Genuinely
No
not
problem.
worth it. If I could, I'd hug you.
Oh no, we're not allowed, but one day.
I'd kiss him. Oh, we shouldn't film that.
Okay. Is that it? Yeah. Skidding. Skidding, look at me. Skidding. Look, I literally have no grip on skidding. No? Oh, hang on.
Oh,
Yeah, no, definitely not.
I wasn't filming.
Take performance, take one.
The maximum lows have happened. Now we need to see whether this old girl's going to run and have a prop shaft and stop and have brakes and have coolant and have starts and many things. This is Luke, my very good friend Luke.
Hello.
Hi, Luke.
I've known you 20 years, Luke.
20 whole years, yes.
When we did Tom versus Dale first time round, Luke rang me one day in hysterics on the phone and went, Stacey's just said to me she thinks it's amazing how they've made it look like Tom doesn't know what he's doing with a spanner. Luke knows I don't know what to do with a spanner.
Okay, so first thing to overcome is the inlet. The standard one sat here with the inlet here-ish, pointing in this direction. Obviously none of this, no room for activity, so I'm either gonna make, buy, recreate some sort of inlet. I want it forward facing.
More like make, that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to probably end
or
up
adapt
making,
something, yes. So my aim is to have it facing this way, so it's a nice short route to the intercooler. The shorter the pipework, the better. So that'll be this side done. These are for brake and clutch. Possibly might be putting a pedal box in it, which moves all these reservoirs inside the car, which makes my life a lot easier, gives me more space.
Yeah.
So this side, turbo side, I haven't got the turbo yet, so I don't know if it's as big as my head or as small as my hand, I don't know yet. So once that's here, I need to get some flanges made and then build the manifold for it to mount on, and then apparently I can do whatever I like with the exhaust. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but secret till it's finished. Yes.
Nice.
And then some cold air intake, just bits and
Cool.
should be fun.
I feel tired thinking about it. The Renault was a problem car that then needed a lot of work. The Volvo was a perfectly good car that you and I drove back from Sweden in, that now has a lot of work that he's doing to it. Phil's done an incredible job with the suspension, like a genuinely incredible job. Frames on the floor. It's exactly where we want it to be. Few mil up, we'll be able to drive like it. The only problem with that is it doesn't drive. No starter motor, no alternator, no radiator, no intercooler, no turbo, no inlet manifold, no
Pedals.
rear brakes, no pedals, no prop shaft.
Did you say no brakes?
No, well I don't know, but no brakes. Oh, that's it, that's not a lot, is it?
Yeah, it's just a couple of bits. Why are you just funny to look at?
Go team DeutchTech! La la la.
The following Thursday.
Okay, so this is basically like the most glorified commercial outtake, intake, plug in any of the Tom vs Dales I think we've done, I think. Obviously you've seen us doing a parts list, the car's now at DeutchTech, this is going to be part of that video, but in the meantime we needed to get a pedal box. So we spoke to OBP, who have sent some lovely stuff. Master cylinders, braided lines, bias valves, reservoirs, and the sexiest it is just stunning.
That's fit.
Yeah. When we were talking to John at DeutchTech, he obviously we've created some problems, moved some bits. Shall I move this out of my face?
No, leave it there. It's prettier than you are.
That's true. We have no throttle pedal at the moment because we moved it, because where the tunnel is and obviously the engine's new. So in the bulkhead, the two cylinders are in the way at the minute, so he's got to move them. And he basically said, just get a pedal box. Okay, great. So I reached out to OBP, not knowing a lot about pedal boxes. They really helped me out. So this is the Track Pro V2 floor mounted version, because there's not a lot of places to mount them up. Reversed, don't know how. I've not got the
You haven't got
reverse mounted one, so I've only
you
got
haven't got
floor
reverse
mounted.
yet either.
Haven't got reverse, haven't got prop shaft, so anyone that's got prop shafts can let me know, it'd be great. James and Lisa at OBP, go check out their website, because this thing turned up, this whole kit turned up. It's incredible. It's going to be an incredible addition to the Volvo.
But that's not the only thing we're unboxing today.
And now I'd opened this, and you were on holiday last week, and I got excited about this. But whilst we were doing something else today, this box turned up from Owen Developments that you have not allowed me to open yet.
I spent all day not allowing you to open it.
You've been sat in a detailing bay with us.
Should
So
we
the turbo's arrived. This is exciting, that's exciting. I don't want to cut this bit short, but OBP, thank you. Let's open the turbo box. So before I open this, I haven't got a Scooby what the specs are of the turbo yet. Lee at Owen Developments has been really kind enough to donate in response to the build, just donated the turbo. I know they've custom built this. I don't know the specs yet. He's really under the pump. I'm waiting the specs for that to come through. So I will, next time we show you this, I'll have the specs for you. But at the moment, let's just look at it. Right, I don't know what I'm looking at.
Turbo, mate.
I know it. No, it's a turbo, mate. Oh yeah, you do some
Put it down!
wobble check, isn't it? Oh, so good. I'm sorry, Owen Developments, that I don't do you justice by being an idiot. But the thing is incredible. Rumour has it with Owen Development turbos that if you, like a shell, hold these up to your ear, you can hear boost. See? I'm excited. So we've seen how good the work that Phil's done. Now it's to get it running, and I dreamt big with this. I probably bitten off a bit more than I can chew. You know, Dale and I have a strict budget. Without the help of OBP and Owen Developments, and I genuinely mean that, I wouldn't have I couldn't afford to put this stuff on in the budget. So huge thanks to Lisa at OBP and to Lee at Owen Developments. I'll get full specs of the turbo so that we can do a proper, as we're fitting it down, obviously John's got to get all that sorted at DeutchTech, so I'll make sure that I've got all the specs for that so that we can feed you that information. I can't wait to start getting this thing together. Tim Tom. Apparently I need to make more effort.
Off camera, I've just had a go at you, yes.
I'm sorry. I just like the like, share, and subscribe thing. Like it's like, oh, like, share, and subscribe.
No, if you like that turbo,
all right, you're
you do,
absolutely right. Okay, if you like the turbo, because look at it. Hit the like button.
what about
If you don't like the turbo, or like, if what's wrong with you, but if it's not the turbo you like and you like the pedal box, hit the like button.
or subscribe.
If you want to see him fitted to the car,
Nice.
make more effort, subscribe, because then you'll see the content that's coming. Then all you got to do is share it with your mates. Tim Tom.